Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's stereo speakers on a Nokia C21 Plus. And to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. So the first one is a phone call speaker right here. There's no speaker on top, nothing on the right side, nothing on the bottom, and nothing on the left side. Another speaker can be found on the back side of your phone right here. So now let's try playing some music, and to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speakers. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try that. So clearly sound is coming only from one speaker, and that would mean that this device doesn't have a stereo speakers but mono speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.